Good Sunday morning, folks. We're here out at the property. We came to put some trees in the ground. However, the grass has grown so much and I didn't bring the lawnmower or the weed whipper. So we're just going to put them where I really want them, and then when we come back next week, hopefully next week, we'll cut the grass and then put the trees in place. So let's take a look around the property. Oh wait, the water has been installed. The water line and the sewer line has been installed. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, Mr. Catalino. And let's take a look. The wind and the rain is blowing away the plastic. You have to get some skirting going on. Uh-oh, put that back, please. I need to actually get that piece of branch or whatever it is. Look at the grass. It's getting tall. I wouldn't even call it grass. More like weeds. Listen to the birds. Still got a lot of work ahead of us. Look at this. You're gonna have to beat this apart with a axe. Ouch. Look at the spider webs going in it. Yeah. I can't even see where the bayou starts. Looking back, you can't see where the bayou starts because of the grass. I'm gonna have to weed whip my way back there and make weed whip the edge, so when we cut it, we don't fall into the bayou hole. It's another hole right there. Something living in there. See it? Stick your hand in there.
Oh.
What?
Anywho.
You standing in it or I'm standing in it?
Don't worry, huh?
Don't put your hand in there. I mean your foot. Man, I got a lot of grass to cut. Again. What's wrong with the bottom of this tree? What's happening here at the bottom of the tree? Was it like that the whole time?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know what you just said. All right, so this tree here has given up and decided to lay down. Thankfully, it laid down on top of a debris pile that was already there. It just folded. Like, forget it. It's split. It is split, Anthony. Oh God, the bug was so big I felt it touch me. You see it? It just split and laid down. All right, let's go cut this grass. I mean, not cut the grass, that's what I want to do. Let's go place the trees. The dirt is washing away where the plastic keeps blowing away. And the general contractor was supposed to come and put out dirt in the back where they didn't finish putting out dirt. However, he said not until they install the water and the sewer line, which has been done. So I sent him an email and a text message with pictures, so now he can get this house finished. So now there are no more excuses. Look at the butterfly on the side door. We have a sewer line installed. I had Anthony put a bag over it to cover it up because it was open. So all we have to do now is wait for them to come and install the line from the sewer line to the house, and the yellow flags let them know where the sewer line runs across the property, and up front there's a water line installed. Yay! All right, so I have a list of where I want my trees, or diagram. And I'm trying to put them in the approximate areas, so when I come back again and cut the grass, you can dig a short hole, but not very deep hole, and then put them in the ground. Oh, what's on my shirt? All right, so here's orange. Before I can, that's good. It's going right here. Gotta move the sticks. All right, let me help you. All right, I have an blood orange tree in place. Well, approximately in place. Oh God, this grass. These weeds. It's growing like mad. So if all of this stuff grows quickly, I just got done uncovering a worm, big fat worm, just by removing the leaves. So the trees in my garden should do great. Alrighty, so next up we have to put, well, the only thing that goes past this orange tree that I have with me today is a lemon tree. So let's go back and see what he has next off the truck. Here in this spot should be a plum tree. He's bringing it. You got it. You want me to pull and you push? Oh, it's sticking me. Oh, it's a giant bug. Oh, it looked like a beetle. All right. Houston, we have placed the bubblegum plum. Well, we're not in Houston anymore. But bubblegum plum in place. What's next? The fig is in place. Looks petrified from the wind being on the back of the truck. But I'm sure once it starts raining tonight and all week, it'll rejuvenate itself. All right. This breeze is grabbing my feet. Yeah. It's still soft just from the wind. Driving on the freeway exposed at 75 miles per hour. I would be petrified too. All right, what's next? The elderberry doesn't go on this side, but they have to do some more dirt work on that side, so I can't place it yet. I was trying to make it clean under there, so it's not just on top of grass or weeds. Okay, let me see right here. For now. You standing in the spot? There you go. Make a dirt spot. That's good enough. It's not going to stay here. I just can't put it where I want it because they're going to come with the excavator and do work on the other side. So we'll sit here for now. Elderberries in place. Wherever the orange is, the lemon goes after the orange. It should be an orange and then a satsuma. And then I think it was a banana. But the bananas were wet, so I didn't want to put those inside of the truck to bring them today because it rained last night. All right, what's the easiest way to go? Get wide. That's deep enough for now. We're moving wider your way. You just want to get the bottom of it in because it's leaning inside the pot. The root ball is too big for the pot. Act like you tied there. All right, he dragged the heavy apple tree over. I finished up, well, as much of a shallow hole as I can. Or I'm going to do, I should say. I might make it a little wider. I've dug a few shallow holes in my life. All right, almost finished. All right. Okay, well, Anthony is at the store getting water. That's about as shallow as I'm going to go. Pour a little water in there. Get this big heavy tree out of here. Put it in this hole. I'm gonna leave some of the pot around it. But at least the roots will be somewhat in the ground for now, till I can get the grass cut. Get some dirt delivered. And then we'll go from there. That box cutter sucks, so I should have brought the other one.
The middle one?
Yeah. Put some water in there, but by the time we get the bottom off of this pot, the water is going to be into the ground. There you go. That blade is hurt, but the plastic doesn't. It's horrible. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. You're not cutting straight. You're cutting a zigzag road. Wonderful. Hold on. Oh, we don't want to break the tree. Slide the booty around there, because once we get the bottom off, we're going to put that right in the hole. Oh, Lord, that's heavy. You want to slide it this way. Oh, there's the water. Oh, it's only just a little bit left. Let's put that. Let's do it. Right here, this little piece. Oh Lord, it's falling apart. Look at all those roots in there. Now we gotta move it. All right, the first officially planted into the ground tree is my first apple, which is also the first tree that actually gave me fruit, even though the birds kept eating it. And it has new buds. So hopefully it does better here in the ground than it has been doing in the pot for the past 3 years. Next week we'll come cut the grass, put the other trees partially into the ground, and keep it moving. I only took off this much. Once we get the ground developed, then I'll take probably the rest, or at least some of it off, and leave a ring around it. So when we cut the grass and weed whip, we don't cut up the tree. So it has a casing around it. Good work.
Is that good?
Yeah. The pot looks a little sideways, but it's fine. It's in the ground. But the tree is straight. The main part of the tree is straight. Yay! Official tree. Yay. So excited. Woohoo! Now we got to do the tree dance around the fruit trees dance. Fruit dance?
Okay.
Bearing fruit dance? Okay. All right. I knew I kept seeing it flapping around. Is he impaled? Huh? His foot is caught. What? Get the gloves. I told you I kept seeing something over here flapping around. I told you. See, they don't listen to me. Hold on, he's gonna try to free you. Give you a minute. I knew I saw something flapping around the ground. Come around on this side. Let me move. Is his foot caught on something? Just break the stick or whatever it is. It's stuck in his feet. His foot is stuck in the, his, her, whatever it is. It's good. Oh, I keep pulling. It's gonna hurt his leg. His little leg is torn. See it right at like thumb. rip it from the ground, maybe. We got, where my car keys at? There's a knife on my car keys. Hey, you got it off. Is it off? He's holding on. Let him, that's right, let him hold on to that one. But take the stuff off, yeah. Need scissors or a knife.
I see the problem. Go get your knife.
Need a knife, okay, wait. Is he free? Is he dead? It can't be dead. He was just flapping. Don't play dead now. Get up. Oh, he was faking. You're welcome. He bit you and flew away. Yay, Anthony saved the day. So, Mr. Veterinarian.
How do I close this?
You gotta clean it off first. All right, that was exciting. We saved the bird. Time to go home. All right, that is all for today. We have elderberries sitting here because I can't put it on the other side of the house where the berries are going to go yet until the dirt work is done. Let's see what else. A bunch of trees we have to cut up and burn. We have, I forgot what that was. I think that's a plum over there. And the black plum. That's a fig. That's not where it's going to go either. The one we put in the ground is an apple. And way in the back, it's a wasp or something by my head. Way in the back past it. See that one on the left? That's a lemon. So that's what we've done today. Now I gotta look and see where I want my mailbox. My driveway. I actually see it on the side street. Okay, so we're all set. That's it. I'll be back next week. Cut some grass, burn some debris. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Definitely looking black.
Good. You're messing up the video. Good Sunday morning. Good Sunday morning, folks. We're here out at the lot or out at home, or we're good Sunday morning, folks. We're good. Get away from me. The tree fell over. Is it split? I have no idea.
Oh.